G'day, Nathan from Paddlefish Tasmania. It's New Year's Day and Cameron and I have headed out to Battery Point to fish for some squid and flathead. We'll be making our way from the launch point around to the Hobart Docks to get a look at the Sydney-Hobart yachts which have sailed in. We'll be casting around some squid jigs and trolling some soft plastics, hoping to pick up a few good fish as we go. Hopefully we'll also get some great pictures to put up on the Blade Kayak Fishing magazine's website. Hope you enjoy.
Oh, nice. That's that new TT Lures vibe that Blade sent us.
Yep, that's the new TT Lures.
Nice. It's proven itself, despite being very heavy. Yeah, nice.
Not bad, is it?
He's a good little fish. He'd be just on keeper size almost.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, nice.
Better off the game.
No. What's it like working it being so heavy at 14 grams?
You can definitely feel it.
Yeah.
But I was sort of just bouncing it and letting it sink back down.
Yeah. So I've just been trolling out soft plastic out the back as I've been squid jigging, and went to bring this rod in and I was caught in the rudder and picked up a pretty good sized flathead, really. That's actually a really large flathead. That's not bad at all. Oh, got him that time. Alright. Cooter, I reckon. Well, it could be a flathead. I was just picking at it for ages until I actually picked it up. It's not coming to the boat real quick. I reckon, yep, big silver streaky cooter. It's not a bad size one, Cam.
Oh, that's not bad, is it?
That's a good cooter. Well, if there is such a thing as good cooter. Oh. He's going to go off through the Mirage Drive. See you, bud. Left all his scars behind. Alright, so it's the end of the docks. Just as I came in the headlands, I've caught a fish on. Feels like it's got some weight. Get my paddle out of the way. No head shakes like a flatty nut. Another stinky cooter. Feels like weight. Yep.
Nice work.
Off the bottom.
Off the bottom.
Yep. Little flathead, I reckon. Oh no, yes.
What do you got?
Little flatty.
Big flooding?
No, little flatty.
Little flooding.
Little flatty. It's nice and clear, this water though.
Yeah,
It's
beautiful.
coughing up all sorts of debris. Oh, I'll get a photo of him. Looks really cool. No, you're right. You just take my spot. Mate, every time, seriously, every video we've got, you'll move into my spot taking my fish. There she is, Sydney-Hobart, line on its winner. That is one impressive boat, and slightly bigger than our kayaks. Taking photos, been getting absolutely smashed out the back because fish on. Doesn't feel like a bad fish either. It's a big cooter by the looks. It's making it run under the boat. It's quite a good cooter. That's actually a huge cooter. That's a massive. Hey Cam. Oh, good fish. Oh, I dropped him. Never mind. Not a bad way of tackling the taste, actually. Come in via kayak.
No, not at all. Except if you fall out, you try to get back in the kayak.
Yeah, well, I don't think we're falling out in these boats, really, are we? I've seen guys in jet skis do it before.
Yeah.
You want to push?
Stuck in there?
Yeah. So, just stick this on and I'll...
Can you push me out?
Yeah, that's my plan.
You're on.
Oh, okay. I've been on for ages, probably. Oh, that's another heavy fish too.
Nice.
That's going to be interesting footage because that was filming the whole time I was talking to you.
Oh, that's a good flatty.
That's a good... Oh, he's a little flatty.
Not bad, not bad. Taking over the flathead, Mr. Flathead say.
Yeah, do you want to batter this for us? Oh, what a crack up.
Awesome.
Yeah, this is a this is one of the most fun chilled out sessions we've ever had, I think. Yep.
Don't know what happened there.
Why'd you cut yourself? Well, you just dented yourself.
Yeah, don't know how. Awesome.
School of salmon underneath us. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up. It's pretty cool. Here they are, all swiping the lure. There's a whole bunch of little juvenile Australian salmon. This is the road bridge underneath Constitution Dock. Just trying not to hit my head because there's not a lot of clearance. Hear people going overhead. So that lifts up to let the boats through. Oh, got him. Cam. Nah, I've done the big Barracuda, I reckon. Oh, look at it. Oh, that's actually quite a big fish, whatever it is. Cam. I'm pulling string. Yeah, this one's, whatever it is a big fish. Look at it go. Oh. No, I haven't even got colour. Oh, it could be. Oh, I think got for no Mirage Drive. It hasn't made a run. Oh, there's the run. I don't know, it could be a little shark. No, what is that? There's a huge Barracuda. That's the biggest I've seen in a long time. There's a monster. Alright, so that is what you call a very big Barracuda. Spear him back and watch him go.
Well, after a somewhat rough start, that turned out to be a fantastic trip. Just after we left the boat ramp, Cameron and I caught several flathead, and after we made our way into the docks themselves, we got up close and personal with several of the Sydney-Hobart yachts. Whilst we were casting lures around the boats themselves, we did manage to catch several big cuda and some good flathead. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thank you for watching.